Welcome back to Zizo. Now, the Asset and Recovery Agency has successfully obtained orders freezing 2 bank accounts belonging to Tebi Wambuku Kago, a friend of the 21-year-old student Felista Njoroge, who hit the headlines after receiving over Kenya shillings 100 million from her Belgian lover. Justice Esther Maina of the Anti-Corruption Court ordered the freezing of Kenya shillings 5 million on Tebi's Stanbic bank account and 631,000 United States dollars in her Equity bank account, and a further Kenya shillings 37 million that she had received on the very same Equity account some few months earlier. The Anti-Corruption Court gave the directive after the Asset Recovery Agency, through its lawyer Mohamed Ado, told the court that Kago and Njoroge are suspected to be part of a syndicate involved in a complex money laundering scheme involving themselves and foreign nationals. In the month of August 2021, the agency received information from intelligence sources about a suspected case of money laundering schemes and proceeds of crime involving multiple transactions conducted through the bank accounts of the suspects in United States dollars and Kenya shillings, mainly from foreign jurisdictions whose source has no legitimate explanation. Ado told courts that the investigation revealed how the 2 young women went to great lengths to conceal money laundering activities by executing a complex scheme of movement of the funds suspected to be the proceeds of the crime. The scheme was designed to conceal or disguise the nature of the source of the illicit funds. Records from investigations presented to the court indicated that the amount was deposited into Tebi's account by Felista's Belgian boyfriend, Mark Dimezo, a cryptocurrency expert and the same man that had deposited 102 million to Felista's account in November. The recovery agency informed the Anti-Corruption Court that on different dates, Wambuku received 102.8 million and 37 million between August 10, 2021 and early November 2021, as I had mentioned earlier on. However, upon accessing Wambuku's bank account, the Asset Recovery Agency learned that Kenya shillings 37 million had disappeared and could not be traced, thus seeking for the freezing of the remaining amount, a request that the court agreed to. Hence, Justice Esther Maina stated that preservation of court orders are hereby issued prohibiting the suspects Wambuku and Njoroge or their representatives, employees, agents, servants or any other persons acting on their behalf from transacting, withdrawing or transferring or dealing in any manner whatsoever in respect to the funds and any profits or benefits derived or accrued from the 3 bank accounts. The missing amount is reported to have been distributed to friends and relatives of the suspects, an activity meant to conceal their action from the Central Bank of Kenya. Felista, who was the first victim of the Asset Recovery Agency, had her cooperative bank account containing 102.5 million frozen for 90 days to give the agency adequate time to trace and establish the source. So yeah, that's that about that story. We'll keep following it and updating you guys with as far as it unfolds. See you for now. Zizo.